What's up, everybody? How you doing, sayang? How do you feel?
Oh my god, after 2 hours I think inside there and finally everything is done.
Where?
Inside the police embassy and I'm super excited. I'm applying my visa to go to Poland soon.
Yeah, okay, cool. And what do you think about Jakarta?
Yeah, this
Traffic.
is traffic jam.
Yeah, it's
Basically.
traffic, a lot of traffic. So are you happy, sayang?
Yes, super happy.
Okay. So our trip actually was to embassy, and of course now we're gonna try back to the hotel and back to Bali, obviously. But we're gonna show you a little bit what we can today. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, let's go. We just arrived to the Grand Indonesia Mall and the Christmas decoration, and Winnie just had a panic laugh at that. It's like going to the big city again, huh?
So we are the island people going to the big city again. So whenever we are here, let's go to the mall.
Okay, let's go have a coffee because I need to do still some work like this one. But of course, Christmas decorations, Christmas vibes. So we are in the mall and it's coffee o'clock, sayang. Cheers. And we are in the mall today, perhaps to change something to the Starbucks. However, Starbucks itself is there, but we are in the mall. We don't have a pole coffee in Bali though. We are island people going to big city. So funny actually, and we're gonna enjoy. We are after our coffee, Saya, and they have a Christmas here actually in Jakarta. That's cool, as you have some stars and decorations at the beginning and everything. That's cool. This is actually, even in Bali we don't have that much decorations of Christmas.
Even in the mall in Bali.
Yeah, so different. Big city life. Whatever you say, Jakarta is huge city. All right, we got lost a little bit. Big city life, not easy to navigate, huh? No, just kidding. But we arrived to the East Mall. I was supposed to go to the West, and I got confused where we are. Plus, I had to do something. However, Jakarta is like this one. A lot of is going on around. So we are outside the mall actually right now, looking for the main roundabout. If you know what I'm talking about. That's the situation, that's the malls actually, you know, Jakarta have a huge malls. Well, that's Grand Indonesia, obviously is the big. Some people here, whoa. Normally, long time ago, there was the market there. And yeah, sayang, enjoying Jakarta so far?
Yes, welcome to the big city, the biggest city in Indonesia.
Technically right, exactly. That's the thing, little bit of the street situation. Let's get there. Behind the corner there is the central plaza. Like I said, actually Plaza Indonesia is another mall. Next to the mall there are some canals, similar like in Bangkok. Same but different.
Of course different. In Bangkok, the canal you can drive the taxi, the boat taxi, but
Yeah.
here cannot.
Cannot lah, not here. And that will be the main center. Welcome to Jakarta, guys. I've been here a few times, especially in the past 2 years, but always at night. I'm gonna show you briefly where we are. This is the legendary roundabout in Jakarta city. As you can see, it's not that busy, actually, not that crowded. If you come to Canggu, you will stuck. If you come to Jakarta, it's just alright. Not bad, actually, I gotta tell you, seriously. And then there are some nice hotels, Mandarin Oriental and the statue. But what is the most important place here is Kempinski in Jakarta, which is Hotel Indonesia previously. I think this is one of the very first luxury hotels in Jakarta back in the 60s. I think so. I'm not sure though, but I think so. Then there are all the malls, and that's the condominiums, also apartments. That's the Plaza Indonesia Mall here and the Grand Hyatt Hotel. Everything here will be the luxury if you are thinking to coming to Jakarta because you just want to try. Definitely you should consider somewhere this area of central Jakarta. Pullman is there, Mandarin there. There is Deutsche Bank. Actually, they have a Deutsche Bank here, BCA, the headquarters. This is like, you know, all the action is going on here. There's also MRT, metro down under the ground, and the beautiful view of the fountain. So this is it. But I'm telling you, there's traffic jam, of course, the rush hour started, but it's not that bad. If you're in Canggu, you will be stuck. Here is still okay.
I know that, you know, like some people always commented that traffic in Bali or traffic in Jakarta. Habibi, come to Canggu, Bali, so you will feel like how is the traffic is worse than Jakarta. But look at this. it's still, you know, the traffic is actually still running, but if you stuck in the Canggu shortcut, it worse than this one. So yeah, it's we are happy that come to the big city life after you know, like a few months back to Bali, and we are going to the embassy and going to this one. So the first thing what we do is that going to the mall. I know some of you don't like the mall, but somehow this is what the big city life over you.
Girl, you're the apple of my eye, the finest thing I ever saw, and that's no lie, 'cause I like to go around each and every night to make some sound. So if I come on a little bit strong, remember too much of a good thing.
And of course, as you see, we are happy actually to be in Jakarta, in big city. Last time together we were in big city where we were living in Bangkok actually, right?
Right.
And now we are in Jakarta. It's cool. It's cool to be here. Even last time here I was only at night. Now it's daytime. But I'm gonna tell you, time to back to the mall. I'm sweating already. It's hot. But I just wanted to say one more time, if you're planning to come to Jakarta, because many people are always commenting, I recommend to consider this area. You will not regret. Actually, we decided we're gonna go to the airport, and that's the shot. And it's so easy to catch the taxi like a bluebirds everywhere on every corner here. Just you wave and you catch it and you go. So it's
Halo,
easy
Pak.
and it's cool. Hello. Oh,
Merkur gak tuh Pak ya? So nice.
an aircon. Okay, let's go.
Still a good thing. Too much of a good thing. It's still a good thing. Too much of a good thing. It's still a good thing. Too much of a good thing. It's still a good thing. Too much of a good thing. Alright, it ain't my style to act coy. Some might even say that I'm a super rude boy. I don't agree. No, just so you know, I'm a real gentleman. I'll prove it, I'll show. I might come on a little strong, but remember, too much of a good thing is still a good thing.
We just arrived to the Terminal 3 Soekarno-Hatta Airport in Jakarta, which is the terminal domestic connected with international flying CityLink back to Bali, because it was hot and we already did what we had to do, right, Sayang?
Yeah.
And then we decided just to chill in the airport, at the airport. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit and yeah, what I gonna tell you? You wanna add something else, Sayang?
See you in Bali.
See you in Bali soon. Overall, this is the Terminal 3, like I said, Soekarno-Hatta in Jakarta. Nice, because it's new and modern. And there is Malacca toast, again, for my Malaysian friends, guys. And then in the background, for my Singaporean friends, is the Yakum Kaya toast, Singaporean cuisine. Gonna get some bird papa for the, you know, that's nice stuff. I think we deserve a little bit of sweet things, huh? Actually, you Sayang, you are so sweet, you don't need it. I will have a chew, huh? Yeah. Chocolate. Interesting fact, even is Jakarta airport, they're still using the Balinese Lempuyang gate here. Interesting. That was the journey actually today, very quick, but a lot of things completed. Now we are already after the checkpoints, like you know, metal detector and stuff. And I just realized, and I remember, and I talked to Winnie, remember when I was traveling in 2021 during the pandemic with 24-hour PCR test, going hospital, going there, checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, authorization of the test, and another one, and the stamp here, stamp there. That was terrible. This is like some sort of depressing memories. Probably will always stay in my head till I die, hopefully not soon. But now it's so easy. You just have a ticket, quick QR code on the phone, check in online and go.
Right, I think that's all of the video today. A short trip to Jakarta and mission accomplished, and just waiting for collecting the passport basically. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.